Hey guys, we're back with another video. So today, you guys, we have Panda Express. I have orange chicken, fried rice, and I think it's called red pepper chicken breast. And then he has orange chicken and fried rice with lo mein noodles, and I have a water to drink. So we're gonna say our grace, take a thumbnail, and dive in. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. So let's take a thumbnail. What you gonna get?
No.
We'll give you noodles. You gonna take all that?
Alright.
All right. Now, let's eat.
Alright.
All right. You gonna eat your noodles? Okay.
That's good.
And it is?
Mama, that's good.
Mm-hmm. Yours good?
Yeah.
It's chicken.
Hmm?
It's chicken.
Oh. Now a bowl.
Y'all, don't worry about it. Let me taste these noodles. They all right. Where you going? Well, come on. Mm-hmm. I can have some.
Alright.
All right. I just want a little bit. Thank you. Now you eat yours. Okay. Thank you.
That's good.
Yeah, yours good. You're not even eating yours.
Me?
Yeah, you. I don't want yours. Eat your noodles.
That's not new.
Yeah. You want to eat your chicken?
Yeah.
That's good.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. I can bring the jump back.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Baba.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Amen.
Ba. That's jump.
Sit down. No, sit down. Mm-hmm. Sit down.
Ha. I double.
Bye.
Ba.
You taking your food?
Yeah. Mama.
Hmm.
Baba.
All right. Bye-bye.
Ba.
Come tell everybody bye.
Ba.
Come here. Oh, your spoon. What you do that for? Why you do that? You funny.
Hello.
Hmm? You like the noodles?
Yeah.
Hmm? You don't want? Okay. Want juice?
Yeah.
Hmm? Here. You want to wash hands?
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Oh. All right, y'all. He want to go watch TV, so tell everybody bye. That's nasty.
Bye.
Go ahead. So, how was everyone's day? I hope everyone's doing fine. I want to thank everyone for watching the video yesterday. I'm truly, truly grateful. This this orange chicken is good, y'all. The noodles are okay, but I don't really I don't really like the rice or the mm, red pepper chicken breast. I think it ain't my favorite. So y'all, I was exercising every day, and then I stopped. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and start back. Like y'all, it ain't bad, but uh-uh. But I don't know. I don't like it that much. I know I ain't doing that much talking, y'all, but I'm hungry. We went and got a snowball earlier. Mm. The kids enjoyed it, so that's all that matters. But mine wasn't that good. So y'all, I would get Panda Express, but I won't get the red pepper chicken breast anymore or the fried rice. I don't like it. I will eat these noodles because they ain't bad. Maybe we could just add a little soy sauce to them or something. I know y'all hear him in the background, but sometimes he want to be worried about me most of the time. He wanted to do the video, but now he don't want to. He want to go watch TV, but he want to be in here while I'm at. So guys, overall, like I said, I would eat Panda Express, but I would not get the red pepper chicken breast again, nor the fried rice. However, they must improve their customer service. When we got to the window to order, they were so rude and they were rushing and they wouldn't let you get your order out, and it was really bad, y'all. Like there was not any room for us to say okay, and then we want this, you know. They would go, so what can I help you with? And then we told them, and then she was like, and then that's all, and it told us our total, and we'll say, well, no, and I also would like this, and trying to get the rest out because she was rushing so bad, and it's like every time we would say something, she'd give us a total, like every single time, and it was horrible, and it aggravated me so bad. But I did not let the devil get me. But I was so aggravated because I was like, we are spending our money to eat this. We are spending our money here, and I know that we was at the the intercom, so she couldn't see who we were. So I know that it wasn't just to us or towards us. So that means everybody who came through got that same treatment. And I'm not gonna say that. Well, maybe she has had a long day, or but I just me myself personally, I used to work. I used to work in Subway, and then I worked at Walmart, and just different places. But I feel like customer service is everything, and I stick to that and I hold that because you have to value those customers. Now, yes, you can have some rude customers, but I feel like if you are a good representative, um, those customers, even if they're having a bad day or if they're not having a bad day, and they see you smiling, sometimes it'll uplift them. And sometimes you can't please all customers. But the main focus is for you to stay humble and for you to stay respectful through it all, And if it gets to the point to where you can't handle a rudely customer, then you get somebody over you because no, you don't have to take what those customers do. But if the customers are nice and then you're rude, there's a chance that you'll lose your job or you just lost business. You just lost business, and just to say like that continues to happen, and it, you see your customers just continue to decrease. And if that's not your business, don't ruin somebody else's business with your attitude. If you know that you don't want that job, just don't go to it. Some of these restaurants, like you knew what you was getting into when you got that job. You knew if you were a server, a cashier, a manager, you working in drive through, whatever it may be, sales. You know that you have to deal with other people. So if you're not a people's person, don't work in that field. Don't do it. And I stick to that because honestly, guys, a lot of people might feel like, okay, I'm just doing this for a check. But if you get a write up or you continue to get complained about, then that check is gone. And then once you go get another job and you try to get a job in that same field, and then they call your previous employer and they go, oh, well, she was fired or he was fired because the customers kept complaining about them, then you won't get a job anywhere. So, you know, just have good customer service. Anything that you do, any job that you do it 110% all the time. Whatever you going through outside, when you go inside that job, leave it out there. If you're going through something inside of your job, put on a smile because you're there to make money. You're there to make a living. But also, you should also like what you do. You should like your job. You should, when you get up in the morning and you get ready to go do that job, you should do it to the best of your ability. Give all that you have in that job. And nobody could take it from you. When I was working in Subway, I remember my manager came to me and she was like, "Oh, you won the secret shopper." And I was like, "Oh, no, I didn't know." Because I was nice to everybody who came through. So I had no idea that a secret shopper even came into the my workplace. And so she was like, "Yes, and you didn't win once but twice." And I was like, "Wow, that is amazing." And so, excuse me, guys. And so I was happy. Like I was, because that shows something about my customer service. It wasn't a front, it wasn't a fake, because I had no idea that the person I was being nice to was somebody with corporate, or somebody corporate had hired. So that shows something about me. And then I turned around and won at Walmart and got a couple gifts. One customer liked me so much, she bought a gift and tried to give it to me. And of course I refused it. She even went to my manager like, "Can you please give her this?" And she would literally try and see when I was going to work so that she could come in and make her groceries. But that made me feel good because I'm like, wow, like, you get those people who are specifically looking for you and who wants you. I was working at a nursing home, and me and a couple more girls, we was really close, and we would all take on other shifts. We would just take on other shifts because we loved what we was doing. And some residents would make sure that we was on their hall, and I wasn't even on the assistant living side at first, but the the residents liked me so much that, they would say, "Can she come, and do this for me or do that for me?" And I would go because it wasn't just about a paycheck. It was about me loving what I was doing. So again, guys, be passionate about what you're doing. That I was passionate. I did it to the best of my ability. Nobody could ever take that from me, and I wouldn't give them leeway to say, "Oh, she's not doing her job." And if somebody was to, falsify some information about me, everybody would know that it wasn't true because I did it with honor, and I did it with respect, and I did it with dignity. And again, I did it to the best of my ability. So all I'm trying to say is, I know I done went on and on and on, guys, but what I'm saying is, if you are working anywhere, as in Panda Express, Wendy's, Burger King, the hospital, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, wherever it may be, if you have to deal with anybody, patients, residents, their family members, customers, if you have to deal with anybody, y'all, make sure that whatever you are going through, you are able to put that back until you finish with that customer, because customer service is everything. And even when someone is being rude to you and you continue to be nice to them, that it makes them think like, did I even have to do that? Was that even worth it? And sometimes, they might end up apologizing like, "I'm sorry, I just had a bad day," but you made it that much better. You never know what someone else is going through. So put a smile on your face. Talk to them nicely. If you gotta scream when it's all over with, scream when you off the phone. But just be the best at whatever you're gonna do. Just be the best. Have passion about it. Be respectful, have dignity, and do it with pride, guys. So that is the end of this video. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I would gladly appreciate it. Also, guys, hit that notification bell so it can inform you when a new video is being uploaded. Please, guys, share, share, share. And until the next time, you guys, as we always say, please don't worry about anything, but pray about everything. Love you guys. Peace.